let's get real. I love hauls, you love hauls. So we both stay happy that way when I show you whatever I shop. But before starting this video, I would like to put this disclaimer out that nothing in this video has been shopped with my own money. All of this has been sent to me by PRs. This is not a sponsored video because essentially what a sponsored video means is that these people would have been paying me to show these products to you, which is not happening. They just send it to me because that's like a PR culture to do whenever you launch something, or if you just want to send something to someone for, you know, them to try out or stuff like that. You just send it across just like that. So all of this stuff is sent to me. It's not sponsored because it was like a lot of stuff. I thought I'd just go ahead and show you guys what all I got, like in a mini haul sort of a thingy. So yes, without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with something that I'm quite excited about. Sigma sent me some stuff. Now I'll tell you a little story. I know a lot of people don't like it when I talk, but that's who I am, so I'm gonna talk. So when I started with YouTube, when no one knew that I was doing YouTube, I used to see every YouTuber, like literally guys, every YouTuber out there doing their foundations with the Sigma F80. Now back then, I did not have that much pocket money. Even if I did save my pocket money to get that brush for myself, I did not have like a bank account because I was a minor. I did not have a card to spend on with, and because my mom did not know that I was doing YouTube, I couldn't like ask her to get me that brush as well, because it would have been like, why in the world you would need a foundation brush? So, and after some time when I told my mom and then I started earning, it sort of like slipped out of my mind because a lot of other things came out like Beauty Blender and stuff like that, which was really good for foundations and stuff. So F80 sort of like went away from my mind. So when Sigma contacted me, I was like, yeah, just send across whatever you want to, it's fine. And they sent across the F80. So it was like my early YouTubing daydreams coming true this time. So they sent this brush set sort of a thing. I'll show you all of the brushes that are in there. There are 4 brushes in there. One is of course the glorious F80. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's basically a buffer brush with a flat head like that, and this is what the handle looks like. Basically this is the rose gold variant. They sent the rose gold variant, which is really pretty. The brushes look really pretty. So this is one of their best seller guys. Obviously it had to be because it's like so raved about. I don't know how it is because I haven't still used it, but I'm dying to try this out. Alright, so the next brush I have is the Sigma E39, which is like a blending brush. Again, this is from the rose gold kit, so it has the rose gold handle, and oh, it's so soft. I'm not going to put it on my eyes because I have some makeup, so I don't want to like ruin the brushes right now. Then I have the Winged Liner E06 brush, which is like the tiniest angle brush I've ever seen in my life. This is so tiny. I think this would be perfect to do your wing liner if you're not like very good with it, because this is so tiny you can barely go wrong with this. And the last brush that they've sent is the E54, which is a flat shaded brush. Again, all of the brushes are extremely soft. I'm not saying this because they've sent it over to me. Sigma is well known for their brushes, so yes. Oh, just by the way, Sigma did send this to me just to try out. They did not want me to show it or anything. It's just that I was really excited to show it to you guys. So yeah, they then sent me the Sigma Spa Express Cleaning Glove. This is meant to clean your brushes. It has different textures on it, so you can just like wear it and then like rub the brush on it to clean it. It has, I think, about 6 textures, and it says which texture is for what purpose, which is great. So yes, I'm dying to try this out as well to clean my brushes. So I've got that. Then they sent in the Aura powder, which is like a blush, and I got the shade Cordy Rosa, which I think means pink in the language. So yes, this is what it looks like. It has a hologram logo, which is beautiful, and this is what the blush shade looks like. It's very earthy pink shade, very natural, very natural, and it has a huge mirror on the other side as well. So dying to try out all of the makeup as well. Then I have the Power Crayon, which looks like this. It comes in a matte black case and it's in the shade Ruby Kunt or Ruby Cunt. I don't know how it's pronounced, so correct me please. This is what it looks like. It's like a chubby stick and it's a beautiful pink color. It is such a gorgeous neutral pink color. I love the shade. Then they sent over their Power Stick, which is a lipstick, and this is one of their best sellers. The shade name is Bloody Good, which by all means, yes, it means a red color. I'll show you guys. It's a beautiful red color. So again, it has the hologram, sticker on there, and it's a magnetic packaging. So that's really cool. I love magnetic packaged lipsticks. So this is what the color looks like. It has Sigma embossed over it as well, which is pretty cool. Then I got the Standout Eyes Gel Liner in the shade Wicked, which is a black shade. because I love black liners. This is what it looks like, and it comes in like a normal gel liner, packaging. I'm yet to try out each and every product from this haul. I haven't tried out anything from this haul, so yes, I'm looking forward to doing that. The last thing that Sigma sent to me was the Warm Neutrals Professional Makeup Collection. This is an eyeshadow palette with beautiful shades. I'll show you guys the shades. So these are the shades. They are beautiful, guys. They're such warm neutral shades. Like, love them. Then moving on to Lakme. Now, if you've been following me on Snapchat, you would know about this, that Lakme did not notice me as a blogger for 3, 4, 5, whatever years that I've been doing YouTube at all. Like, nil, zilch, zero. And now suddenly they've been sending me all of their new launches. And I'm just like, what do you want from me? Because I ain't giving you anything. So yes, I'm still going to show you whatever I've got. If you want to review any of the products from this haul, all you have to do is comment below. I would love to incorporate a review for you guys. So yes, they also sent in this pouch separately, like nothing from that packet. So yes, they sent in this pouch, and I was like, I did not know it was coming in, guys. Like, at least they need to tell me that we're sending you something. But anyways, so this pouch came, and I was like, I don't know who sent this pouch to me. And then I opened it up, and it had the Lachman Lip Gloss, the three new launched variants, and they're gonna stab me. So yeah, the 3 new launched variants. Now, I'm not a very big fan of the previous Lakme lip gloss because they did not moisturize, the packaging was very flimsy and whatnot. So I don't know if I'm gonna like these or not, because obviously I have a mental block with them. So yes, the new variants are a tangerine, then blackcurrant and raspberry. So these are the 3 new launches. Again, these are for 200 rupees each. I will try to write as many prices could in the bottom bar because I haven't bought anything. I don't personally remember it as well. So yes, I will try and list down as many MRPs I can for you guys. So yeah, that pouch is done. Now let's move on to this packet. So this packet has this box inside it, hologram paper. And then when you open this box up, it lights up. Like, I don't know if you can see it or not because my lights are so bright, but it lights up, and it has Kareena Kapoor Khan looking back at you. And it has 3 products with a pen drive. I'm gonna tell you what the products are. So the first product is this Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening with Whiter Sorcinol. It's like a serum which is supposed to be for skin lightening, so I'm not too sure how much of it I'm gonna try, but the packaging is really cool. So you twist this thing up and the pump comes out. Only if Lakme stopped promoting fairness, that would be really thankful. Then I have the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Light Creme. Now this is a day cream, and this is what it looks like, and then it's like a normal cream. You just like, oh, there's no buffer in between as well. It smells good. It doesn't smell bad, which is a good thing, but it's skin lightening, so I don't know. Like, I really don't know. Then we have the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Night Creme. So there's a day cream and then there's a night cream. So this is what it looks like, and then there's a pen drive for all of the PR information about the new launches and stuff, which I'm not going to go into. So yes, with that we're done with that as well. Then Nykaa celebrated its 4th anniversary, so happy birthday Nykaa first of all. So it says Nykaa turns 4, so they sent over this goodie bag to pamper their blogger friends. They also sent in some cookies which are currently in my fridge, and I've already had 2 of them, so yikes. Coming back to the Nykaa goodie bag, they have 2 pouches in there. I love these pouches. I love the pouches that Nykaa gives out. Their pouches are always so good and so handy. I love them. Okay, so the first pouch has a tassel as well, and it has 4 nail polishes from their newly launched spring collection, which is great. I'm gonna go over the colors for you guys. They also had like bow stuff onto them, which is really cute. Alright, so the first color that I have in my hand is Cranberry Crumble, which is like a really deep red color. Then we have, this is Wild Berry, which is like a pink toned red. Next up is Midnight Craving, which is like a very deep blue, almost like a black, bluish black. And the last color we have is Strawberry Tart, which is one of my faves from the range. It's like a really pretty pink. So yes, those are the 4 newly launched Nykaa nail paints. And then there is this another pouch. I'm gonna open it up. It has a lot of things, so we'll go on to them. The first thing that I can get in my hands is the Love and Joy Air the Perfume by All Good Scents. It's like a perfume, obviously. All Good Scents is like a perfume company. I've never tried them. I've heard great things about them. So this is what the perfume looks like. The packaging is very similar to a Nina Ricci perfume I have. It's very similar. Extremely similar. Not saying I'm skeptical about it, but it's very similar. So yes, we're gonna stop that similarity game right there. Then there's the Island Kiss Tropic Pomade. This is in the variant Puerto Berry Blush. I already have this. I've shown this in a haul video. I haven't still used it. I already have this. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I already have this. Next up, we have the Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Ultra Breathable Satin 2-Way Cake. Again, I have this. The shade, however, is different than what I have. This is the shade PO1 Beige Chiffon. I have, I think, a B2 or B3. So yes, I'm gonna see how I can use this one. Then they sent in the A1 True Color Eyeshadow Quad, which has beautiful color, guys. Like, I'm dying to play with it. Ooh. Saved it. Ninja skills. So yeah, the colors are really pretty and the packaging is really chic as well. You have to push down on the button and then you open the quad up. And maybe did not save it completely. It has 2 green shades, 1 pink shade and a highlighter shade, which is beautiful. Then we have the Plum Hello Aloe Caring Day Moisturizer for skin or for face. Is this for skin or for face? Face. This is for face, which is good because I wanted to try out a new face moisturizer, especially something that's ultra light. I've been currently using the Ananda Day Cream for dry to normal skin, which is amazing. I might just like rebuy it, but I always like to change things up because I get bored of a fragrance very quickly. So yes, this is good. I want to try out a new moisturizer, so I got that. Then there's another lip balm. This is by Avon or Avon. It's French and I don't know any, so I'm gonna leave it at that. So it's a lip balm by them. It's just like a high protection lip balm. Then we have the Be Blunt Climate Control Anti-Frizz Leave-In Cream. Again, I have the full size of this thing right here and I really like it. It just tames down your frizz a lot. I think I need to try it now as well, but anyways, it's a good product. If you want to try something else for your frizzy hair, I'm not gonna say it's gonna make your hair look like what it looks like in the ads. To be very honest with you guys, that's not gonna happen until you straighten them, blow dry them, do something with them. But yes, this will minimize your frizz. Then we have the Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade The One, which is like a beautiful nude shade. Can't wait to try this out. Hopefully this doesn't look like a concealer on me because sometimes nude lipsticks do that to you and not a cute look. And the last thing I have is the Lakme 95 Creaseless Matte Lipsticks. I love this range. Their lipsticks are amazing. And the shade that I have is, I think, Magenta. It was some Magenta. I forgot the name. Wait, let me tell you guys which shade this is. The shade is... I sound like a WWE host. They just like call people like that. The next wrestler is John Cena. Yep, I grew up watching WWE. Oh yeah. Alright, anyways, the shade is, which shade is this? This is some magenta, but it says tester on it, so I can't read the name. It is Magenta Moon? No. I don't know. It is MP17. Code-wise, I don't know the name of this. I'll search it up, put it in the bottom bar for you guys to check it out because I can't read what the name of this lipstick is. It says tester on it, so I cannot like read what it says. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And don't forget to check out all of my social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.